name is right there, Great Wolf Lodge.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I don't even know. And I have this big entire wolf made out of rocks. And it's so cool.
And it's our first time here.
Yep. So why don't you come along and see what our trip is? Come on, guys, let's go.
So the room that we stayed in was called a family suite.
There was 2 queen beds
And a pull-up couch that turns into a queen bed.
There's a closet.
And there is a sink outside of the bathroom, which we forgot to record the bathroom. There was an amazing view. You could see the water slides, the pool. Unfortunately, the pool was out of service. And you could also see the fire pit, which you and your family could sit and enjoy during your stay.
Guys, this is our first time at Dunkin', and I got a chocolate donut and I ate it, and it's a 10 out of 10. I like it, but it's too chocolate.
She thinks she's hurting Minnie Mouse.
Me.
Okay guys, we're here at the candy company and we're gonna do some shopping. We're gonna do some shopping right here for the kids. Are you guys in Candyland right now?
Yeah.
And here we have Estelita waiting for her candy too. What do you think, Estela? Do you want candy? You're too young for candy.
Okay guys, at the candy store we both got. I got this little lollipop with the sauce.
And I got the most sourest candy toxic waste.
Okay guys, we're here at the Magic Quest and we have the kids that they're gonna be reviewing some items and we're gonna be getting. we got the pass right here. And with this pass, we get access to multiple things. Stay tuned to see what we could do with this pass.
Goodbye. Thank you for watching.